Take a look at this channel, Offside Blueprint, already sitting at 3,000 subscribers, and they uploaded their very first video just 3 weeks ago, with one video already crossing 500K views within just a few days. Now, what they do is actually super simple. They take specific FIFA World Cup 2026 moments, rules, and match situations and explain them in the most entertaining and easy to understand way possible using aesthetic AI visuals instead of real footage. And that last part is actually the most important thing here, because FIFA is extremely strict when it comes to their match footage, and using it directly can get your channel hit with copyright claims and strikes. This guy figured out the perfect way around it by using aesthetic AI visuals instead, and their videos are performing absolutely insane. So today I am going to show you exactly what type of content this channel is making and how you can make the same and even better and actually turn this golden opportunity into real dollars. And the best part, every single tool I am using today is completely free. So now, since you are ready, it is time to do some technical work so that you can get similar or even better results. For that, first of all, simply head to Google and enable the AI mode. After that, head to the channel Offside Blueprint and copy their video titles. This step will copy their titles and the amount of views they got on their videos. Next, paste it inside Google AI and ask it to analyze all the titles and topics and not reply, just save the information. Then head back to Offside Blueprint and open any of their videos, head to the description and click on the show transcript option. After that, their entire video will open in written format. Simply copy it and provide it to Google AI and ask it to not reply and just save this script. Then open another one of their videos and do the same, copy and paste the transcript of that video into Google AI and repeat the same process for around 5 of their videos. We are using this data just to train our AI and for reference only to help Google AI better understand our niche. So once you provide all of this to Google AI, it will be properly trained. Since we have trained our AI, it's now time to start making content, and to make things easier for you, I have prepared a list of professional prompts that will give pro-level results and will take all the load of your head. Later in this video, I will show you how to get these prompts for free. Now, you need to copy the first prompt and paste it inside of Google AI. Inside of this prompt, you need to enter the number of topics you want and hit enter, and Google AI will start writing you actual and 100% accurate events and topics related to FIFA 2026. The reason to use Google AI is simple, because it is way more advanced and accurate than any other chatbot like Claude or GPT, which can make mistakes and provide unreal or fictional topics, but Google AI will give you actual topics from the real FIFA World Cup 2026. Once you have the topics, you can simply pick one of your choice. Now, we need to write a script, and since the script must be highly accurate and properly researched, we will again use Google AI for script writing as well. For this purpose, copy the next prompt from the Google document and paste it in Google AI. In this prompt, you need to copy and paste the topic you have selected and finalized, and just hit generate, and AI will start writing you a highly humanistic script, enough for a 4 to 5 minute video. Now, this script will be almost 100% accurate, but to make it even more engaging, you have to do 2 things. First, you need to rewrite some sentences of this script in your own words to make it stand out, and you can do that only if you have knowledge about that particular topic. For knowledge, you have 2 choices. You can either watch the World Cup match, which will be available on FIFA's official YouTube channel, or if you want to do things very quickly, you can even ask Google AI to briefly tell you about your topic and the events that took place. This way, you can literally master your topic, and your script will be at a professional level as well. In final, to double check if your script is 100% accurate, simply open a new tab in Google and again enable the AI model and copy paste your entire final script in it and ask, tell me if my script is fully accurate and good enough for a YouTube video. And as you can see, our script is excellent and highly engaging and perfect for a YouTube video, but it might contain a few technical errors. So to correct them, just ask AI to correct the errors without making script look like a dull research or robotic explanation, and you will have your final and perfectly written script. Since you have the script, it is time to generate those aesthetic AI visuals. To make such visuals, copy the third prompt from the Google document, and for generating your image prompts, we will be using Claude AI. Simply paste the prompt inside of Claude, and inside of this prompt, you will see brackets where you need to copy and paste each paragraph of your script one by one, and Claude is going to write you exactly that level of image prompts with proper pre-written texts as well, which will save you a lot of time. For image creation, you can use any free AI tool, but without any doubt, Nano Banana Pro is by far the best free image generator. So using that model, I created my images by utilizing the prompts that Claude provided me, and as you can see, the image quality and results are already looking so fine. Following the exact same process, you can generate images for your entire script. For getting these prompts, simply visit my Discord server from the link in the description of this video, and once inside, head to the prompts section, and here these prompts will be listed as FIFA World Cup 2026 prompts, along with all other prompts from my previous videos. We have the script as well as the visuals, so it is time to generate our voiceover. But before that, I want to clear a doubt that most of you still have, whether voices from Clipchamp and Google AI Studio get monetized or not. Many people do not get monetized on YouTube, and they think the voiceover is the reason, but in reality, voiceover is not what got them rejected from monetization. It is the copyright content they are using that is the actual culprit. If you want a simple answer, then yes, voices from Clipchamp and Google AI Studio are 100% monetizable because I myself use Clipchamp voiceover in more than 30 of my videos, and after I got monetized and made some dollars, I started using 11 Labs. I hope that answers your biggest question. Now for this purpose, we will be using Google AI Studio. Head to the Master Storyteller preset, and once you are here, make sure to clear the previous text in the speech generation box and copy and paste your script in here. For this demonstration, I will take a small portion of my script. After that, from the side, you can easily pick a voiceover character of your personal choice. Take your time here, and if you want to stand out, you can also go with a female voiceover because literally no one is using a female voice in this niche. Make sure to apply these settings for a better and more realistic voiceover. Turn the style to promo and hype. Change the pacing to natural for a clearer and smoother tone, and select the accent as American. You can also try out other settings to see which one works best for you. Then simply click on the run button at the bottom and your voiceover generation will start.
If you think Brazil's 5 World Cup titles guarantee a smooth ride,
the voiceover was pretty fantastic and felt almost real. To download it, simply click the small download icon next to the run button. If this video gave you something real, drop a like because it took a lot to put this together. And if you are not subscribed yet, you are literally about to miss everything that comes next. Since we have all the materials, it is finally time to put everything together in CapCut. Simply import all of your materials and place the voiceover on the timeline. And just like I always say in every video, always remove the silent areas from the voiceover. If you check out any viral video or video of a professional creator, you will see cuts where they had a pause or silent part, and that step ensures the voiceover is fast-paced enough to hook the viewer. But make sure you do not remove every single silent area, only remove the big ones. After that, listen to the voiceover and carefully place each clip on the timeline. You might get confused in your first go because your voiceover will be around 4 to 5 minutes long, so a better approach is to make separate folders named visuals of paragraphs 1 and 2 and visuals of paragraphs 3 and 4 like this, and it will become much easier to understand which visuals should be used for which particular part. Once you have placed all the images, you do not need to add any zoom in or out animations. Just make sure your visuals change every 2 to 3 seconds so that viewers do not get bored. If you still want, you can add a simple zoom in animation using keyframes for transitions. I literally suggest you use none in this niche. Simple jump cuts work best. For affects, you can try out some on particular clips to stand out. You do not even need captions because your images will already have text on them, which saves you time. Offside Blueprint uploads one one video every single day because these types of videos can be made within 1 to 2 hours with barely any editing because the storytelling does most of the work. To improve the overall quality of your video, head to Filters and search for a filter named Clear 2, drop it on the timeline and stretch it across the entire timeline and keep its value between 50 and 60. Next, search for a filter named 4K, drag and drop it on the timeline, stretch it across the full timeline as well and keep its value around 60. These two filters will significantly improve your overall video quality. You can add or skip background music that is totally your choice. At this point, our video's ready. Let's watch it.
If you think Brazil's 5 World Cup titles guarantee a smooth ride, Morocco just provided a massive reality check. Group C just kicked off in East Rutherford, and it did not go according to the script. The final score was 1-1, but the real story was the tactical masterclass that left the Seleção completely suffocated.
Drop a comment right now telling me which FIFA World Cup 2026 topic you are going to make your first video on, because I will personally reply to every single one. The most important part of this niche is the packaging. If you are using thumbnails like these, you are definitely going to get clicks because they are super simple, yet eye-catching, and you can make them completely for free using AI. For that purpose, utilize the last prompt from the document and paste this prompt inside of ChatGPT. Inside of this prompt, you need to copy and paste your entire script at once. The reason we are using GPT is because it has GPT Image 2, the best image model out there right now, and even on the free plan, you can make around 7 to 10 images every single day. Once you hit enter, GPT is either going to start thumbnail creation directly, or it will provide you with a written prompt for your thumbnail. In case it provides you a prompt, just write okay, start making the thumbnail, and GPT will start creating it, which can take 30 seconds to a couple of minutes. As you can see, the thumbnail is looking mind-blowing. The text, FIFA logo, trophy on the side, the character, and everything else looks top-notch. In case you are not satisfied with the thumbnail, you can tell GPT that this thumbnail is not good enough. And before making another version, ask it to first give you some concepts. GPT is going to provide you multiple concepts, and if you like one, just tell GPT to make the thumbnail based on that concept. I suggest you make 2 to 3 thumbnails in advance, so in case your CTR goes down, you can replace your thumbnail easily.